Ryan Brown from J. Ryan Brown Law. Today I want to talk about roadside tests in the context of a DUI stop. So I'm sure you're familiar with, or at least heard of, the roadside test that officers try to administer during a DUI stop. They're the walk and turn, right? One foot in front of the other, heel to toe, 9 steps. There's the nose, the stand on one foot, hold your head back, etc. Those are called roadside tests. And there's one other one. There's a portable breath test. So, and we're going to do a separate video on the difference between a portable breath test and a breathalyzer. But the portable breath test is done in conjunction with those other roadside tests, the heel to toe, the one-legged stand, the follow my finger, HGN test, things like that. Those tests, the refusal to, it's hard to give, blanket advice, but there's almost no situation where those tests should ever be done, right? If the officer is going to arrest you for DUI, he's going to arrest you for DUI. All you can do by participating in those tests is give him more evidence against you. Now listen, cops lie, okay? Cops are trained to lie. Cops are taught that lying is a valid investigatory technique. And on the side of the road, they're going to tell you, hey buddy, just come do these tests. That way I can make sure you're safe to drive and we'll get you on your way home. Okay, they're lying to you, right? If he got you out of the car, chances are you going back to the jailhouse, whether you're DUI or not, okay? Those HGN tests where you follow the finger, the heel to toe, the one-legged stand, there's tests that are made to fail. You can't pass those tests, right? They're kind of ranked. The cop's going to say, well, he demonstrated 2 out of 6 clues, right? Well, that's 2 clues that you just gave the cop to use against you at a DUI trial that you didn't have to do, right? Because you don't have to participate in those. You have the right to say, no, officer, I'm not going to participate in your dog and pony show. I would like to continue driving home so I can go get some rest. Now, he very well may arrest you, but he can't arrest you for refusing those tests, okay? You have the absolute right to not participate in those roadside tests. All you can do by doing a heel to toe, by doing a one-legged stand, and by following a finger, and by blowing in the portable breath test on the side of the road is make that cop's job easier, right? And we are not in the business of doing their job for them. They are trained, they have all the resources, they have all the money, they have all the power in the court system. We don't need to make their jobs easier, right? Don't participate in this dog and pony show. There's no need. Of course, never drink and drive, call an Uber, etc. But these roadside tests rarely ever work out. Participating in them, I'm yet to see someone just talk their way out of a DUI stop by participating in those. Most of those tests are hard to complete sober in the middle of the day, let alone on the side of the road with blue lights flashing and 18-wheelers driving by and a cop who's talking fast to try to trick you because he wants to take you to jail. If he wanted to make sure you were safe, he would drive you home, and he's not ever going to offer that. He wants your money. He wants you to spend the night in jail. He doesn't want you to get home safe, or he would just drive you home, okay? So know your rights. Know you have the right to refuse to participate in roadside tests. You do not have to do them. They will be used against you in court, I promise. If you have questions about a roadside stop, give us a call, 470-635-1725. Check us out at jryanbrownlaw.com, or as always, you can always text us at that same number, 470-635-1725.